Yes.
So
No,
this,
that's the real challenge there because we misunderstand the role of classroom learning.
mm,
Uh, Actually, there are many, there are many criticisms about classroom learning. The foremost of which is people forget what they have learned.
mm.
Would you still remember what you have learned in terms of
Uh,
theories back in
I,
college? No?
I can tell you that I took econometrics in graduate school. The only thing I remember is how to use the compound annual growth rate.
But are you using that in computing for the compound
Uh,
annual growth rate?
Well, we use it for preliminary analysis.
Preliminary analysis.
Yes. So,
But that's not your day to day, what you are doing day to day, especially if you are in a leadership position. I had
yes.
to also struggle about learning that when for my graduate school, no? One of the biggest challenges din kasi, yun nga, people forget much of what they have learned
In school.
in school. So the tendency is that because of the amount of distance from the time that they have learned it to the time of application, they have already forgot much. Okay. So the learnings the learnings do not stick. So that's one of the problems. Second, if those are mostly in theory, not based on the person's experience, they still remain in theory because there's no realization. I'll give you an example. No. I was head of HR before, and to my surprise, the owner of the company asked me to head one of the subsidiaries. Why would an HR person head an operations company? It's a manufacturing company. The problem is that the company has been in the red for 3 years. It's basically bankrupt. No? So I was thinking maybe the owner thinks that what's the worst thing that can happen? But I was able to reduce losses by 70% by the first year. By the first month of the second year, I was able to make it profitable.
Mhm.
So I was also surprised about what I was able to accomplish. But I only realized it when I've done my own MBA, my Master's in Business Economics. The purpose, the MBA, is to crystallize my experience. Kasi when it was not doing very well, what I did was to study who are the customers, what are their needs. And then after that, I tried to look for additional suppliers and started selling them things that we do not manufacture. We have not done that before. So from direct manufacturing, using the network that we already have, we started trading. It's only after I've gone through my MBA that I realized that, what I did is to understand the customer. Second, I changed the business model.
Mhm.
So it only provided me understanding because I already have the experience.
Yeah.
But that memory stuck with me, the learning stuck with me. So the role of classroom is to provide a language, a model, a framework to understand a given experience.
Yeah.